Welcome back to another episode of Always Doing Something. Today, me and Rocky are on our way to go pick up the sign that we put in last month for Nicole. So, we're on our way there, and we'll see you guys when we get there. That sign right there, we got to take that one down. Alright, I don't know if this is going to work, but let's give it a shot. Nope. Well, guess we gotta dig it out. Alright, let's see if this works. I told you that sucker was in there hard. Don't think we'll be using this anymore. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. You just never know what goes on around here. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.